This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Great home and awesome location west/easy access to freeway. Super cute split bedroom floor plan. Nice Levlor blinds. Lots of crown molding and recessed lights. Refrigerator to convey at no value. Seller has just replaced all carpet and laminate. Large walk-in closet and master and double sinks on vanity. This one sits on corner lot and has extra landscaping. Privacy fenced backyard west/covered patio area plus a sprinkler system and gutters. TV wall mounts will convey. See agent remarks. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-747.